Attention California homeowners. Big changes are here in 2025, including a 15 to 30% price hike on new HVAC systems due to the EPA's new refrigerant standards. But here's the good news. We still have 79 units available at 2024 prices. Lock in last year's savings and get a $1 EcoBee thermostat or Ring Doorbell with your new high-efficiency system. Don't wait, these deals won't last long. Upgrade now to avoid the price surge and take advantage of rebates and tax credits from the Inflation Reduction Act. New refrigerants, redesigned systems, and rising costs mean waiting could cost you. Act now to future-proof your home and enjoy 2024 pricing before our 79 units are gone. Call today or visit us online at BrauerMechanical.com to secure your deal. Brauer Mechanical, where quality meets comfort. Don't wait. Call today to secure your unit before prices rise.